Hey y'all, it's autumn now. Let's make a Chai Tea Latte using DivineKuizine sugar spice. So let's get into this recipe. Hey y'all, so we about to make this Chai Tea Latte. So I went and got some organic Thai tea that we're gonna use. So you can pick whatever kind of chai tea that you would like, but this is the one, and I got the organic one, the Tozo organic Thai tea. So, put one bag in there. I've already heated up some hot water. Go ahead and we're gonna let our tea sit and brew for a while, and then we're gonna start on our cream. So, I'm using heavy cream, but I know you can use whatever type of dairy or non-dairy milk that you want to use. And so I'm going to do 1 cup, not heavy cream, I'm sorry. This is 1 cup, half and half. So 1 cup, half and half. And in this recipe, we're going to be using the DivineKuizine sugar spice. So this is going to be another way that you can use DivineKuizine. You know, it's a sweetener, and I've showed you various ways. If you haven't seen them, go to my YouTube channel. Go to my website, DivineKuizine.com. So we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and the DivineKuizine sugar spice, like I said, is very universal. You can use it like we're going to use it in our latte, but also you can use it like on your, this is a great time. Put it in your carrot cakes, your pies, your butternut squashes. So there's various ways that you can use this sugar spice. Put in 3 tablespoons of the sugar spice. And then we have our good frother, so we're gonna go ahead and froth this up. Okay, so it's nice and frothy. And then all you do is we're gonna take out our tea bag that's been brewing our tea. Of our sugar spice, and I'm going to sprinkle. I'm going to put a little more. I'm going to top it to the rim, and I'm going to top it off, y'all. And then we're going to take a little bit of the sugar spice and sprinkle that on top. And there you have it, your Chai Tea Latte. So let's go in and taste. So I'm going to go ahead in and taste this Chai Tea Latte. Like I said, mine is warm, but if you wanted to make it cold, just throw a couple little ice cubes in there. So let's go in and taste it. I'm just stirring up the little sprinkles of my sugar spice. Ooh, yum. Whew. I wasn't expecting that because I've never had a Chai Tea Latte before. It is excellent. When I say excellent, run to the store and get this. So what I got was, I got the Tozo organic Thai tea bags. So you can get that, or whatever your favorite Chai tea bags are. I had, I used a half and half. I put a little bit of vanilla, and we sweeten it with the DivineKuizine sugar spice. It's warm, it's comforting. It's like you want to just snuggle up in a blanket, watch Netflix or something like that, or like in the morning, instead of drinking coffee, you have your I keep saying Thai, but you have your Chai Tea Latte. This is a must-make, easy, simple, yummy, and like I said, I used half and half, but you can use whatever non-dairy or dairy that you want to use to cream up your latte. So to get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. My YouTube subscribers, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my website, welcome. My name is Shay. Thank you for watching this video. You can catch all different types of videos on how to use my products, as well as home decor and my journey as being an entrepreneur. Love y'all, Shay.